Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Target. These deals run from January the 19th until January the 25th, 2025. As always, these deals are all digital, so you only need your phone to score on these deals. No need to clip any paper coupons. Now in this video you can find a principal breakdown. That principal breakdown is going to be found in the description box, so just click on that. You can either print it off and take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. So no need to write any of these deals down. I'll also be using the apps IBOTTA and Checkout 51 in addition to the Target app to score on these deals. Now, the first deal is going to be my favorite deal. It is my deal of the day, and this is going to be on the Afrin No Drip. The one I got was a severe congestion. There's another one, not sure what it is, but this is the one I got. So it's $9.49 for these. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up two of them. Picking up two, your total is $18.98. Now, there is a $2 coupon on the Target app. So that $2 coupon, you're just going to clip that. It's going to come off. And then we're also going to be getting $5 back in a gift card format after we check out. So you've got that $2 coupon, the $5 gift card that you're going to get back. Then you're going to head on over to IBOTTA. IBOTTA has a rebate for $2 back on each one. So you're going to get back $2 on each one. That's $4 back from IBOTTA. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Checkout 51. Checkout 51 is going to be replacing our coupons app that we previously used. And so you're going to submit the receipt for $2 back on that. So let's go over that. $2 back from Target, with $2 off from Target, $5 back in gift card, $4 back from Ibotta, $2 in checkout 51. Your total is going to be $5.98, or about $2.99 per container of Afrin. Now, this next one is going to be on the buy four, get $5 gift card. And for me on this one, I'm going to be showing you some deals that just work well for me. I don't like showing deals that are just like the cheapest ones, because to me those aren't practical. But you do what works best for you. Pull up your Target app and click on the where it says Target Circle Deal, and you can see all the things that apply on there. But I went through and I found the things that I need in my household, or that we use in our household. Because, yes, Colgate toothpaste, that's one you could do, but I didn't want to do that. Even though it's cheaper to do it, I still wanted to get what was needed for us in our household. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the Irish Spring body wash. We use this body wash all the time. Now, in the store, it says it's $5.39, but in the Target app, it's $4.99. So it will be $4.99 at the register. There is a $2 coupon. That $2 coupon is going to come off, and it's going to make the Irish Spring body wash $2.99 for this. So that's one of the things that I picked up for the buy four, get a $5 gift card. The next thing I was excited about was the Batiste dry shampoo. I like the one that's the barely scented one, because I just don't like my shampoo, the dry shampoo, to be like overly fragrant. I think one time I had the Dove dry shampoo and it was too too floral. But this one is usually $8.99. It is 15% off, which makes it $7.64. So we're gonna use that. Remember, it's part of the buy four, get a $5 gift card. Then I am going to submit a receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. So with that 15% off and that $2 back from Ibotta, it's going to make the Batiste $5.64. And if this is something you wanted to stock up on and get like multiples for this deal, you could, because on Ibotta there's a limit of 3 on here. So if this is something you use quite often, you can pick up more than one. But just make sure that you're getting all those products that are qualifying for that buy four, get a $5 gift card. Now, I was really excited about this because my husband uses this Dove men soap, and it is, to me, it's expensive for bar soap. But the 4 bars of the Dove men soap is $6.99. There is a great $3 coupon on the Target app. So that $3 coupon will apply, and it'll make the Dove soap $3.99. There's a separate coupon on the regular Dove soap. So this is separate from the Dove Men. So I was able to get both of them. But the regular Dove soap is $6.99. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. So it's going to make the Dove soap $3.99 with that coupon. The total for all these products was $11.61, or about $2.90 each. So they've got this product at Target. I've never seen it before, and it's called Everyman Jack. And on the tag at the store, it's like $8.99. But when you scan it on the Target app, it's much cheaper. So it's just a misprint. But being much cheaper is a lot better. And so this Everyman Jack, they've got the body wash, they've got the shampoo, well, the body wash, and then they have the 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, whatever. And then they also have the deodorant. So this is part of the buy four, get a $5 gift card. And so you can do various things with this deal. One of them, I'm just going to show you, this is the body wash, and then this is also the deodorant. But what you could do for this one is you could pick up 4 of these if you wanted to. They're $6.49 each. Your total is going to be $25.96. You're going to get that $5 gift card back at the register. So then that's going to bring it down to $20.96. And then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back on each one. So $3 back on 2 body washes and $3 back on 2 deodorants. So you'll get the 2 deodorants, 2 body washes, $3 back on each one. So you have a total of $8.96 for all 4 of those items, or it's about $2.24 each. But remember, make sure you get 2 body washes, 2 deodorants, submit your receipt to IBOTTA, get $12 back, and your total will be $8.96. I was really excited about this because Ghirardelli is one of my favorites, and I love a Ghirardelli caramel. But the deal didn't work out, and I just didn't want to pick these up, so I wanted to tell you just in case you do it. But the Ghirardelli is on sale right now for $4.79 because all of these products are 20% off. And so then I was like, ooh, yay, I have an Ibotta rebate on this, so I'll get it even cheaper. And so I can pick some of these up and, keep them for my kids for Valentine's Day and give it to them later or whatever. So $2 back, so I make them just $2.79. But the problem was when I scanned the barcode for the Ghirardelli, it wasn't the right size. So the one in my store was 4.8 ounces, but the ones on the Ibotta app were either the 4.1 or the 5 ounces. So it didn't scan. I'm sure if you would have bought it and scanned it, it would have worked, but I just didn't want to take a chance with it. But that is a good deal if you do want to pick that up. All right, guys, thank you so much for staying with me on this video today. If you made it to the end, please make sure you comment that you made it to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.